Hello guys, welcome to Bet Udemy community. Here you will learn everything there is to know about the betting industry. We have made it simple for our audience to obtain all information about this cash agent business. Let's get to the topic right away. This course will walk you through the entire cash agent system. Here you will learn how to obtain this system and run a great business. Now I will show how this cash system works. Here in the diagram, you will see the relationship between player and cash agent. First, the player will contact to agent through any means like WhatsApp, Telegram or any social media. Then player will ask for deposit. Agent will either receive cash from player or provides his bank details to receive money. When player sends money and provides his gaming ID, then agent will top up in his gaming account. What agents will receiving for this? Well, they will receive commission on every deposit and withdraw. They will be able to add sub-agents and earn from them. We will learn all these in upcoming chapters. Now let me tell you advantages for you by taking this course. You will learn everything regarding 1xBet cash system. You will be able to contact management team. You will be able to set up good business with 1xBet. You will save both your time and money from the scammers. Requirements for cash agent. Let us discuss. So, what are the requirements to be a cash agent? Cash agent always needs players who play in 1xBet. Cash agent should search players themselves. Payment agent don't need to search it. We have made different video for this which you can purchase in our website. Payment agent and cash agent are different. Cash agent may need at least $200 to get this project in 1x cash. Here in this lesson, we will discuss the differences between master agent and sub agent. These are the types of cash agent. Master agent has more access than sub agent. Here we will differentiate one by one. Master agent will work under company. Sub agent will work under master agent. Master agent will be able to load mob cash for himself and sub agent. Sub agent will not be able to load mob cash. Master agent will maintain salary of sub agents. Sub agent will not have access to salary, but they will get the salary from master agent. Commission remains same as sub agent. Commission remains same as master agent. Master agent can take some charge from sub agent, but sub agent does not have such luxury. In this lesson, we will discuss about Ready and Mobcash application. These applications manager will give you. Ready. This is app just like Telegram where you will talk with your manager. Mobcash. This is app from which you can top up and withdraw from player account. Please contact us if you wish to work as a 1xBet agent. We are official 1xBet representative and we have additional people who can assist you with other betting platforms. My WhatsApp and Telegram number are given in the description. Please contact us.